Hello, 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 hello. How are you? This is Els Kimney from Bemis Crafty Corner, and today we are going to go over the let's see, the hashtag 12 of 23 challenge for the month of November. But before I do that, let me quickly remind you that you have just a couple of days left to turn in your October one, which is to alter something using burlap. Okay, so for November, let's see. For November, what are we going to do? All right, for November, we're going to make ATCs, and we are going to include washi tape with the ATC. So you're going to make an ATC using some washi tape. You can use anything else you want on it, but it must include some washi tape, okay? So, ATC is your base. With this one, yes, you can do an ATC, you can do a journal card, you can do a tag. I'm not too particular on that one, but you do need to use your washi, okay? Now remember, you have until the 3rd of December to complete this challenge and turn it in by simply posting a photograph, and make sure that you tag me, post it to my Facebook group. There's a link to that in the description box below. But make sure that you include a tag for me so that I can see it. Again, that is an ATC tag or journal card, anything of that variety, but it has to include washi tape, okay? Don't forget, there's you have till the 3rd to turn in your altered whatever using burlap, okay? As opposed to burlap, if you have jute, you can use jute because burlap is made from jute, therefore I'm allowing that, okay? So that's it. We've got 1 month of the challenge left after this, and then we'll move on to what we're going to be doing for 2024. All right, I cannot wait to see what you create. Until I see you again, stay well, my friends. Bye-bye.